The cryptocurrency market is performing beautifully today, and this could just be the beginning. Now, we're going to be talking about it in the video because we have got some very interesting news. $17.3 trillion oil shock coming, and cryptocurrency could be the beneficiary. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and I do want to say thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that AI now controls YouTube, and it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. This video in no way should be interpreted to be a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, guarantee of any sort. It is simply you and I talking about cryptocurrency. Specifically, this article right here, we're going to be going over it, and of course, we will look at some price action and so on. But nonetheless, we're just discussing this news article. It says Bitcoin and crypto prices have climbed after U.S. forces captured Venezuela's president, with Donald Trump promising to run the country until a judicious transition can happen. Now, Bitcoin back up above 90,000. Bitcoin is sitting today at $91,124. Ethereum $31.28. You've got BNB back up to about $900. XRP $208. Solana $134. Things are looking very good right now. But of course, why? What is everybody anticipating with this? Well, let's jump into the bread and butter of this article here. It says, with a wider cryptocurrency market adding $100 billion in wealth over the last couple of days as traders bet on a 2026 US dollar earthquake. It says, now, as Trump media company reveals a crypto surprise, analysts are braced for a $17.3 trillion oil price upheaval that could send shockwaves through Bitcoin prices and the cryptocurrency market. Now, the article goes on to say that this makes Bitcoin the front-running indicator of sentiment, Davis wrote, pointing to Bitcoin's steady, immediate reaction to the news. But if this is really about oil, then this may be just the beginning. If that's the case, oil prices could drop a lot on this news. It says oil market futures are going to open this evening, and they closed Friday around $57 per barrel. Said in a press conference following the raid, Trump and the U.S. said it would take control of Venezuela's massive oil reserves and recruit U.S. companies to invest billions of dollars in the company's or the country's oil industry. It says we're going to have our very large United States oil companies, the biggest anywhere in the world, go in, spend billions of dollars, fix the badly broken infrastructure, the oil infrastructure, Trump said at a Mar-a-Lago press conference. Now, with that, most people don't realize how the world just changed. Venezuela has some of the largest oil reserves in the entire world, 300 billion plus barrels, valued at $17.3 trillion. Now, this is why it matters. It says a lower oil price would likely mean inflation in the United States and around the world falls in the year ahead, with analysts citing lower inflation as a potential tailwind for Bitcoin. Guys, this is what we've been talking about, okay? Bull markets happen when interest rates fall or are low, when inflation falls or is low, and earnings are high. And we are setting up for the perfect recipe. Falling inflation, falling interest rates, and of course rising earnings. We could be in store for one of the biggest bull markets ever, and I am ready. Now, if you guys are looking to accumulate, you got links for Bitcoin. You got links for Best Wallet. You can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the blockchain through that. You've got centralized exchanges down there, and one of the best places that you can learn about cryptocurrency is the On-Chain Academy. So you guys got a link for this down in the description as well, and do not forget to diversify. You've got Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Node, only with a couple days left. We are seeing meme coins, altcoins, and Bitcoin soaring right now. Do not let it pass you by. Let me know what you guys end up doing down there. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.